Now that you have gotten to this page, let's begin going through some of the elements of your ad.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
The first thing is really creating your campaign name. In my case, I created the very creative first ad. That's my very creative name here. Hopefully your name is more descriptive for your situation. Now, your budget. Let's talk about your budget. It's really interesting and important. Most people are tempted to say $1 or $5 a day and start slowly. Now, what are the considerations of that? Of course, your risk tolerance is low and you're not set to lose a lot of money, but you're not also learning quickly enough. Sometimes, if you run an ad for $1 a day, you're going to get some views, but your test is going to be inconclusive. You're going to have to wait many days to get the results of your test. But the benefits of ads is that you can get the results of your ads in a day or two. So if you have a more aggressive budget, this is basically the equivalent of 20 days, but you'll get your answers today. So I don't want to push you to spend more money, but it is important to understand that instead of saying $1, if you say $20, you'll still spend the same amount of money, but you'll get your answers 20 days earlier, which is priceless. So I'd actually do that daily budget of $20 or something like that, or maybe $15. It's not a lot, but you can get some good data out of this. And the next day, you can form new decisions and update your ads based on how this particular ad performed. So the huge advantage of running ads is speed. The other choice you have here is the delivery method, standard versus accelerated. I would keep your delivery method as standard to keep your video view clicks relatively low. And that's all we have on the budget. Is pretty simple. You have to listen to your inner voice for what your total budget is, but just don't worry just don't put it like $1 a day, because all you're going to end up doing is running inconclusive tests on $1 a day. And you're going to have to still spend a lot of time waiting to 20 or 30 days to get enough data to base your decisions. So pick a reasonable, not too much, but a reasonable ad budget daily.